how to turn the gifting for membership on if you're interested in someone's channel. I say, here at Cajun Roots Reseller, you give me an offer and I'll take it.
I say, this is Johnny's place where you can have it for no problem. I got the dollars.
Fixed income, no credit, back credit. Here at Cajun Roots Reseller, that's no problem.
Let them have it.
I've got my dollars and I sit in my best offer.
We say, yes. See the special man. The easiest man on YouTube.
You got the dollars? We got the offer? Let them have it with no problem. In this video, I'm going to be showing you something about the new fan funding, and we've been having some questions in reference to how to turn the gifting for membership on if you're interested in someone's channel, you're thinking about getting into the membership, and you just don't know how to do the gifting. If somebody was to gift memberships in a chat, this is what this video is about, and I'm going to go ahead and show you in how to do it, and I'm using this as an example as you see on the screen here because he just got fan funded. And it's in his chat now. So you have to do this when they're live. You can do it at that time, or you can even go to their channel. So I'll show you a couple of ways. But for example, when they're live, and you, like in this case, he just got the fan funding monetization. What you want to do is you can do it in a couple of ways. One, you can go right here to the $ in the chat while they are live. As you see, the chat is flying. And I did ask for permission for him that I can use this for this video. It's more like a shout out for his channel because he just got it, and I only know of a couple more that did get it already. So this is the one where you go to the $. I'm messing up already. One in the chat, you want to make sure you're always in live chat. But right here, the $, go click on the $ and hit membership. Once you hit membership, this will pop up. Go to the 3 dots. Now you can also do this while they're live on the phone. But if they're not live and you go to their channel, it won't work. You have to be in there live on the phone. You can do it the same way I'm going to show you here. But once this pops up, it basically shows you all the different memberships they have. But you can go to the 3 dots right here next to the X, hit the 3 dots and it says gift giving or the gift setting. Click on that. And then I'm going to move this up if I can, and I can't. So let me try this again and move myself down some. So you can see it, membership, gifting, gift setting. And right here, there's a toggle. Now you will get 1 month free. And this is giving them credit up to, if somebody was to give a gift to a channel, they, 1, have to be a member. 2, you cannot be a member to get this. So it's if you're waiting and you're thinking about getting on the gifting membership for that channel, this is how you would gift it. And it is up to $4.99. So whatever levels they may have, you would get the up to no more than $4.99 or $5, depending on how they have it set up. So what you're going to do is turn this little toggle, you see how it's black? You want to click it, and it turns blue. That means now you have accepted any gifting. If someone was to be gifting gift memberships in the chat while you're in there, or you don't have to be in the chat at the time it happens, you will then get an email letting you know that you have been gifted from someone's chat and the actual clip to the video where you got it. That way you can go through it and see who it was that may have gifted to you, so you can thank them on another video when you see them in another chat. That is how you would do that here on this type of way for doing this. And then again on the phone, you can also do it on your phone, same way. Or if someone was to do a super chat or super sticker in the chat, and right now he does not have it turned on, so I can't show that. But if they were, you can go into the chat and do it there as well. And so that's how you would do this portion of how to turn on the gifting in someone's chat, just in case if you're interested in their membership and you, well, let me just try it out. And so if somebody was to gift it and you get it, that gives you 1 month. And at the end of that month, you can renew it. And then again, in that case, you would be able to choose which, let me move this over. You can choose whatever memberships they have. And in this case, he has all the way up to 88 miles per hour is 99 cents a month. Can't drive 55, it says $2.99. And then the 121 gig gigawatts is $4.99, and then the others are he's got a $9.99 and a $99.99. So these are all the different ones, and of course, if you ever want to check them out, when you click on that one, it tells you everything that's included in that membership. So that gives you an idea of, well, what are you getting for that money? And that's how you would check right here and see. Each one tells you the difference of what's involved. If you click on the little arrow down, you get everything from what's above that. And usually after each level, the next level you get, like for this one, you would get everything that's in 88 miles per hour and the can't drive 55. And so forth and so on. Everyone you go down a higher level, you get everything previously plus whatever's in that level. And that's how you determine what you want how to support somebody on their channel. And that's just one of the ways. And again, you can get it and then renew it after the month. And usually you can check that in the chat once you become a member, even if as a gifting. You can check the chat and go to the membership, and it'll allow you to do one type of extra little free announcement. You've been a member for X amount of months or whatever. And so that's how you do that.